we require a leader like this. He has given a vision.
It is very encouraging for us that he is here today and giving such a motivational talk to us.
ISRO is not having any shortage of talent. What is required basically is a leader who can inspire. And the current Prime Minister, he has been doing it. And I'm sure under his leadership, country will do wonders.
It is totally inspiring and motivating.
I mean, it was just marvelous. See, a person coming, traveling after 12 to 13 hours and coming here, and the way he has given a lot of inspiration to the ISRO scientists. People have worked so hard now, and this has given motivated, especially some of the things like Nari Shakti, Tiranga, all these names they were given there. And I mean, a lot of respect and love they were given. People basically, hard and so much of, days and days, months and months they have spent there. Now they are feeling so relaxed, so thrilled. I mean, they say, we require a leader like this. He has given a vision. See, as far as talent is concerned, ISRO is not having any shortage of talent. What is required basically is a leader who can inspire. And the current Prime Minister, he has been doing it. He's giving us a good guidance there. And I'm sure under his leadership, country will do wonders. Message basically here is, what he's telling us, like for example, if you go in our Hindu mythology, there is something called Hanumana. Hanuman knew everything, but somebody has to come and remind. So here also what happened, he has basically given a reminder, you are talented, you are knowledgeable, don't worry, go ahead, I am there with you, I am going to inspire you. And basically just, out of the box thinking he has been telling. He said, for example, Chandrayaan 2. Afterwards people would have got disappointed, because of failure, but he says, no, from the failure you learn about the success. Now we are come to Chandrayaan 3. And like this, there are various missions are there. For example, we have got Aditya, who will be going and, doing a victory over the sun. Then next comes Venus, and so many things are there. So there again he says that, it's all basically you are talented, do the hard work, and the total, 140 crores population, the country is with you. Prime Minister is with you. That's what the message is given to the scientist community. And personally, I talk to the people. People are very, very happy. And I'm sure, they are going to put their best. They have been putting, ISRO culture is basically known for that. But now with this, there is, some sort of, extra level of energy which will make them to the further higher orbit.
It was a very honorable day for all of us today here. Prime Minister has visited us and he has congratulated the whole nation and the ISRO team. And he has given 2 new names also for the landing site that we have today. Shiv Shakti is the name he has given for the landing of the Chandrayaan 3, and for the Chandrayaan 2, Tiranga is the name he has given for the landing spot. And it is very encouraging for us that he is here today and giving such a motivational talk to us and address the nation also. Indeed, it's our honor that he is our Prime Minister also. And yeah, definitely, it is totally inspiring and motivating.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.